Your PayPal receipt shows 50 cents. That's not just ugly, it's flagged as suspicious. International number format silently drops trailing zeros unless you explicitly demand them. Declares a constant numeric variable named amount and assigns it the value 0.5, representing a fractional monetary quantity in euro. Instantiates a new international number format object configured for the ENDE locale with currency formatting enabled for euro, using the default fractional digit rules. Invokes the format method on the formatter instance, passing the amount value to transform it into a currency string according to the configured locale and currency settings, then outputs the result to the console. Instantiates another international number format object with identical locale and currency settings, but adds a minimumFractionDigits option set to 2, ensuring fractional digits appear with at least 2 decimal places. Calls the format method on the fixedFormatter instance with the same amount value, applying the stricter fractional digit requirement while preserving the locale and currency configuration. Always set minimumFractionDigits to 2 for currencies. It prevents ambiguous decimal display. Subscribe for daily coding videos that turn edge cases into confidence.